Once you get to the Atlanta airport and pass TSA/security, the Atlanta airport has terminals T through F. Terminal T is located immediately after domestic TSA security, and Terminal F is located right after international security. It's super normal to take what's called the plane train to get to your respective departure terminal. The Amex Centurion Lounge is located at Terminal E, just one stop over from where the majority of international flights take off. After getting off the plane train, here's the path of exactly how to get to the lounge. Feel free to use the timestamps below to jump straight to the entrance of the Amex Centurion Lounge at the Atlanta International Airport. Entering the lounge, there's a line for Amex Platinum card holders and a priority check-in line for Amex Centurion, aka Black Card members. After checking in on the left, we're able to enter the terrace area. There are two outdoor terraces for this lounge. Amex Centurion card members have their own private space. This is in the form of a room, as well as a hidden, secluded area alongside the terrace's perimeter. We'll look at how the entrance looks for the space very shortly. From both the terrace and within the lounge is an entrance to a more private bar branded as The Reserve. Coming back to the very beginning, and instead of us taking a left towards the terrace we just saw and walking straight instead, leads us to different seating arrangements with a lot of natural light for the space to feel even more open. As we keep walking along this path, we have the central area with the infamous 50-plus-year-old olive tree and our second terrace on the right. Navigating along the previous path, we have more of your charcuterie items on the right and the main hot food line on the left. Menu offerings do switch out over time, and different items are offered between breakfast and lunch/dinner timeframes. There are restrooms and specifically 3 shower rooms next to this area. In the same vicinity is a secondary/tertiary central seating area which has a more publicly accessible bar, coffee, drinks, dessert, and different variations of rooms along the hallway. There's a multi-purpose room, which I've commonly noticed full families usually utilize to decompress, let the kids run around freely. Next to this, there's an open working area type concept. In this location, there are a few semi-private meeting rooms. From here, the primary central area is on the left, with the Centurion members' entrance located right where you enter/leave the lounge.